dogs running along the highway. Both at arrival and departure dogs are there. I have told them that I will be putting in place a mechanism where a special cell will look after the work of getting these dogs outside the airport. Similarly, the multi-car parking, come July end or much before that, we will have that also in place. With line with amenities for the female passengers. They have also, in all female toilets, they have installed automatic sanitary vending machines as well. At one time, Navy was claiming that land to be theirs. Now it is established land belongs to the Chikalim Kamdad. We have reached the final stages where land has been already given back to the Kamdad. Kamdad is in the process of giving it to the airport authority to develop it as a modern parking facility for the airport.
Extend the existing terminal building at the cost of approximately 250 crores, which will add another 2 million passengers per annum. That is 2 lakh passengers per month per annum, annual handling capacity. Presently, we have 7.65 lakhs per annum, 7.65 million per annum. Now, we will be adding 2 million additional. That means 9.65 million per annum.